Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox Sugarbox for you all. If you don't know what Sugarbox is, then it is a subscription box in India. If you have seen my previous fab bag unboxing video, then you already know that what subscription means. So yeah, fab bag is generally beauty and skincare and makeup related subscription, wherein Sugarbox usually includes lifestyle related products. So if you are interested in watching what all I got in this month's sugar box, then please keep on watching. So I ordered Sugarbox in December month, but I received it in January. I don't know how that goes. Like they said that they generally dispatch their Sugarbox after 31st of every month. So that means if you subscribe in December, you will get your bag in January, like 1 month after you order. So yeah, that's how it goes, and I have subscribed for 12 months, so be ready to get like 12 full subscription 12 full Sugarbox unboxing videos. So let's see what we have in December's fab bag, or I should say in January's fab bag. I don't know, it's very confusing, but please bear with me. So this is how the box looks like. This is how I have received my box. It's pink in color and it says Sugarbox over here. I know it is ulta on screen, but it is written Sugarbox here, and they have also mentioned their website over here, www.sugarbox.in, and it says spoil yourself silly, and I'm very excited to open this up. So once you open it, it looks something like this. I can see sliders over here already, and I'm going to go one by one now. So the first thing I see here is bedroom or a bathroom slippers here, and let's open it and see the quality and everything. Okay, quality seems okay. I forgot to mention the prices. Now 1 month subscription costs around 1500, and if you subscribe for more months you get a little bit of discount. So yeah, check that out for yourself. I will put all the links in the description box below, like the purchase link of the Sugarbox and prices and everything, so make sure to check that out. So the first thing I see here is this bedroom or bathroom slippers, which looks really cute. It is very soft and made of a good quality product, and that's how the sole looks like, and it is very comfortable. I'm sure I'm gonna use this a lot, especially in winters. It comes very handy. Now the second thing I see here is this very warm beanie kind of cap. It is made of very thick wool. I don't know, I don't like this. This is not my style. The quality is not bad at all. It is very good quality, but this is not my style, so I don't think I'm going to use this a lot, and I don't think I'm gonna use this even once. I might just give this away to my friend and family. So yeah. Now the third thing I see here is really cute. Let me just show you. This is how the third thing looks like. It's a mini glass bottle and it's very cute. It's in purple color and it opens up like this, and it also has this safety cover. Like, you have to be very careful while traveling because it is made out of a glass. So that's there. I don't know the size, like how much of water or liquid this can store, but I really love this. It is very travel appropriate, so I'm very happy to receive this in this month's Sugarbox. So that's the third thing we have in this month. Now the fourth thing I can see here is a wallet. Now the quality of this wallet is really good and really great. So that's how the wallet looks like. It has this print all over it, and when you open it, it looks something like this. It has all this compartment and this card holder thingy over here. So that's the next thing I received in Sugarbox this month. I'm really happy to receive this as well. Now the next thing in this month's bag is this very cute PJ. Like, it doesn't have any t-shirt along with it. It's just the single pair of PJs, Now that's how the PJ looks like. Now they do ask you for your size when you subscribe to it. Like there are 3 sizes available. One is medium, second one is small, and third one is large, obviously. And I went ahead and chose medium size for me, so that's how they are going to send you any t-shirt or any clothing material basically. So you will get, like, I will get medium size clothes from now on. So this is the next thing. It has this Minnie Mouse all over it. I'm so happy to receive this because it's so cute and I can totally wear this at night. And the material of this cloth is not that great, but it's not bad as well. So yeah, I'm very happy, and this does fit me very well, so there is no size issue at all, and it is a very good quality PJ. Now the next thing I see is this magic pops. Like every month you are gonna get something to eat, like any chocolates or any candy or some fun things like this. So this is a magic pop. Like when you will put this on your tongue, it's going to start crackling. Now the next thing I see here is this very cute little dainty neck piece which has letter E on it, and that's how it looks like. It's in golden color, and I think this was a personalized gift if you pay online. I don't think everyone is gonna get this this month. You will get this only if you pay online, and this is how the neck piece looks like. It is very cute, and I'm sure it's gonna look very classy on plain black and white t-shirts. So yeah, this is a next thing. Now the next thing over here is a scrunchie which is very big in size, and the color is very beautiful. It is gray and will go with almost every color. So yeah, the quality of this scrunchie is really good. So that's how this scrunchie looks like. Now the second last thing in this box is this cute hairpin which has this cat on it, and that's how the hairpin looks like. Again, the quality is on point. Like I really love the quality of this one. It is very good, and I'm sure I'm gonna use this a lot. So that's the second last thing here in this sugar box. Now the final thing in this box comes in a pouch like this, and when you open it, you will see a face massager, like jet roller is what it's called, and it has these 2 sizes on each of its side, and you just simply have to put oil or any serum or any cream you want on your face, and then you can just, oh my god, this feels so good. And you can even put this in refrigerator and then use it in summertime, but in winters I don't think you need to do this because it's already very cold, very chill. So you can just massage your face with this, and with this part you can even massage your under eye. And yeah, I'm very happy to receive this because I was looking for one good quality jet roller, and it also has this instruction card over here, like how you have to use a jet roller, and everything is mentioned over here. So that's the final thing I received in this month's sugar box. Now it also has this card which says, again, spoil yourself, and it has a cute little message from Sugarbox. It says we turned 6 and this wouldn't be possible without your love and support. Thank you for believing in us and giving us a chance to spoil you silly. Hope you like this specially curated hamper for you. We have tried to make this edition bigger than usual. If you like what you got, do share the love at Sugar Advisor. So they have mentioned their Insta, their Twitter and Facebook handle right over here. So yeah, you can tag them if you like their product. So that was all for today's Sugar Box. Wait for my next month's Sugar Box if you are interested in watching such kind of videos. Share this with your friends and family. Hit that like button and make my day. And yeah, I love you all so much. We are now 1000 big family. So thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.